Regent's is an excellent school. We educate children from all over the world from the ages of 2 to 18. We offer the finest curriculum to our children. That is why we have the British curriculum right from the youngest students up to the age of 16, where we offer the IGCSE courses.
All the students here love Regent International School. Our classes are very small, which helps us engage better in lessons and builds a more friendly and stronger relationship with our teachers.
And we are privileged to be one of the very few round square schools in Asia. Now, being a round square school means that we teach outside of the classroom as well as in it. We believe in developing young people so that they can become leaders tomorrow. We believe in teaching them about values and about putting others first. So not only are we teaching them the best of subjects, but we're teaching them how to be well-rounded and how to think about the wider issues in the world.
I stay at the boarding house because it can save my time for traveling. There are a lot of activities for the students here, and the boarding staff members take care of us very closely.